Hi everyone, I'm Alejandra. I'm a peer health advisor for Student Health and Counseling Services. Welcome to our newly named cooking series, Cougars Cooking for Wellness. Today we have 4 avocado toast recipes for you all, and avocado toast is actually an incredibly nutritious meal that you can have for breakfast or for lunch. Avocados contain a wide variety of nutrients, including over 20 different vitamins and minerals. Avocados also do not contain any cholesterol or sodium and are loaded with heart-healthy fatty acids. Today, I will show you all how to prepare 4 different kinds of avocado toast very easily. We have classic avocado toast, egg avocado toast, bacon avocado toast, and tomato avocado toast. All right, to get started, you will need your favorite type of bread. Today we're actually using sourdough bread. You will need some ripe, mashed, and seeded avocados. And how many avocados you will need depends on how much you plan to make. Typically, a half an avocado will cover 1 slice of bread pretty generously. You will also need salt and pepper to taste, and some optional ingredients to change up the variety of avocado toast are tomatoes, eggs, bacon, and everything bagel seasoning. The tools you will need to make all of these avocado toasts are a pan and a stove, but in this case we have an induction cooker. You'll need a spatula, tongs, a small bowl, a fork to mash your avocado, and an optional tool is a spreader to spread your avocado on your bread, but you can always just use the fork that you use to mash or a butter knife. So now we'll start with our classic avocado toast. The first thing we will do is make sure that your bread is toasted and make sure that your avocados are mashed. You'll take your first slice of bread and your spreader or your butter knife, and you will spread the avocado generously on your first slice of bread. Now to season it, you can use some salt just to taste, some pepper, and again, this is just to your liking. And if you wish to and have it available, some everything seasoned bagel. And that's it. That is our first type of avocado toast. Next, we have our egg avocado toast. So, like the first time, we are going to spread our avocado on our second piece of toast. Alrighty. Set that aside for a sec, and we're going to pull out our egg and our avocado oil. So to start, you just want to add just a little bit of olive oil, and you just want to make sure that the oil spreads throughout the pan evenly, and then we'll go ahead and crack our egg into our pan. And you'll need a spatula for this step. And it depends on you how you like your egg. I personally like my egg a little bit runny, so I cook it for less time. But if you like your yolk a little bit more solid, you can just cook it for longer. Once your egg is cooked to your liking, you will take it out of your pan, let the oil come off a little bit, and then we will put it onto a plate with a napkin to just pat the oil off the egg. Then we will transfer it onto our avocado toast and season it with some salt and some pepper to taste. And that is our second type of avocado toast. Our third avocado toast, we will need some tongs and your bacon. So you can just cook it in the same pan that you cooked your egg in, but you will need approximately 2 slices for your bacon avocado toast. And while that starts to cook, we will add our avocado to our third slice. Now that our bacon is done, we are going to do the same steps. We're going to put them on a plate with a napkin to pat all that extra oil and grease off. Then we will transfer it over to our toast. Season it to taste however you'd like. This one requires less salt because there is a lot more sodium in the bacon. But there is our third avocado toast. Our last avocado toast is very simple like these others. Again, we're just going to follow the same steps, adding our avocado toast, or avocado to our toast. Now we're going to set that aside and grab our tomatoes. You can use whichever tomatoes, whatever variety of tomatoes you like the best. For our purposes today, we're using Heirloom medley tomatoes. And we will cut them up into smaller pieces. Now we will take our beautifully colored tomatoes and we will place them on top of our last piece of toast. All right, and finally we will top it off with some pepper, some salt, or any other seasonings that you would like on your avocado toast. And this is how you make all 4 recipes. Thank you for watching our episode of Cougars Cooking for Wellness. Stay tuned for future episodes and don't forget to like and comment.